Jai Hind and good morning, children. Today we are going to start a new concept in this video, a very interesting concept, mole, and its utilization. In this particular video, we will see about the various ways by which the interconversion between mass mole, mass volume occurs. So let us start with what is mole concept. Literally, mole means heap or pile. It's the literal meaning of mole, a heap or a pile. This concept was first introduced by scientist Amedeo Avogadro. He has paved the way to calculate mole. It is defined as the amount of substance that contain as many particles or entities as there are atoms in exactly 12 grams of carbon 12 isotope. That is, 1 mole means that number of particle which is present exactly in 12 grams of carbon 12 isotope. 1 mole of a substance always contain same number of entities, and it is independent of the nature of substance. Whatever the substance it can be, it always contain same number of entities. 1 mole is also the unit of amount of substances. Okay, 1 mole, we have already studied about 7 basic units, 7 fundamental units. So 1 mole is also the unit of amount of substance. Now, if we want to calculate the number of atoms in 12 gram of carbon 12, it is calculated as shown below. The mass of 1 carbon atom is this, 1.992648 into 10 to the power 23 grams. Although it is determined by mass spectrometer, but we can also calculate it with the help of AMU into gram conversion unit. So we know that 1 mole carbon is 12 gram. Now the number of carbon atom in 12 gram of carbon 12, if we want to calculate it, is simply the mass of 12 gram divided by mass of single carbon atom, and you will get this particular number, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atom. These atoms are present in 1 mole of any substance. This number is known as Avogadro's constant. This particular number is known as Avogadro's constant, and it is denoted by the symbol Na in the honor of the scientist Amedeo Avogadro. Children, let me tell you, he has not discovered this number. This number was not discovered by Avogadro, but he has told the way to discover. It was used by other scientists. 1 mole is the collection of particles. How many particles? This much, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles. Thus 1 mole atoms, if you want to know what is the mass of 1 mole atoms, then it is always equal to the gram atomic mass of that element. 1 mole molecules is again equal to gram molecular mass of that element, and number of particles for molecule, it will be always 6.022 to 10 to the power 23 molecules. For atoms, it is always equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. For gases, if we, this is atom, this is molecule. For gases, a mole is defined as the amount of gas which occupies the volume of 22.4 liter at STP, which is also known as molar volume. For gases, a mole is defined as that amount of gas which occupies 22.4 liter at STP. Okay, for any gas, it is independent of the nature. For any gas, 1 mole of that particular gas always occupies 22.4 liters. The mass of 1 mole of a substance in grams, the mass of 1 mole of a substance in grams is called its molar mass. its SI unit is gram per mole. Okay, for any substance, the mass of 1 mole is known as its molar mass, and its unit is gram per mole. For example, molar mass of H2O is 18 gram per mole. Molar mass of H2O is 18 gram per mole. If we call molar mass of O2, it is 16 plus 16, that is 32 gram per mole. Molar mass of carbon dioxide is 44 gram per mole, and so on. The above relations, what we have studied so far, can be summarized by some simple formulas, like number 1, number of moles of atoms is equals to mass of given element divided by its gram atomic mass. If you want to calculate the number of moles of atom, you just whatever the mass given in the question, you put it in numerator and divide it by gram atomic mass, you will get the number of moles of that atom. Similarly, the number of moles of molecules equals to given mass of the compound divided by gram molecular mass. Understood? Given mass of the compound divided by gram molecular mass. Number of moles of a given gas, number of moles of a given gas can be calculated as given volume of gas at STP divided by 22.4 liter. Number of moles of a gas can be calculated by given volume of gas at STP divided by 22.4 liters. 1 mole of any substance is equals to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles. Number of molecules, if you want to calculate the number of molecules, then it is always equals to number of moles into Avogadro number. For any compound, if you want to calculate the number of molecules, then if the number of moles is given, you just multiply with Avogadro number, you will get the number of molecules. Number of atoms can be calculated by number of molecules into the atomicity. Number of molecules can be calculated in this way, and once you get the number of molecules, you multiply it by atomicity. Atomicity means, let me repeat once, atomicity means the number of atoms present in one particular molecule. So you just multiply it with atomicity and you will get the number of atoms. Mass of one atom of an element. If you want to calculate the mass of one atom of the element with the help of this mole concept, then it will be gram atomic mass of that element divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Already we have studied earlier that atomic mass of one atom of an element can also be calculated by atomic mass in AMU into 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. This we have already done in our last video. If we want to calculate the mass of one molecule, it is gram molecular mass divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Similarly, the mass of one molecule of a substance can also be calculated by molecular mass in AMU into 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams. This is another way, and this is one way, by gram molecular mass divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. The number of molecules present in V liters of a gas at NTP. If we want to calculate the number of molecules present in V liters of a gas at NTP, then it can be calculated by volume of the gas in liter into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 22.4 liter. Volume of gas in liters into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 22.4 liters. I can tell you a very interesting number, Locksmith number. This number is equal to number of gas molecule present in 1 centimeter cube at STP. Like Avogadro number, this is another number, Locksmith number. This number is, what is Locksmith number? This number is number of gas molecule which is present in 1 centimeter cube at STP. Number of gas molecule present in 1 centimeter cube at STP. Molar volume of a gas under different conditions. This is a very important thing I want to lay emphasis on, that molar volume of a gas at STP is a very general term, but the STP conditions can change, and accordingly molar volume will also get changed. Like if STP condition is taken as 0 degree Celsius and 1 atm pressure, then your molar volume will be 22.4 liter. Understood? 1 atm and 0 degree Celsius, then molar volume will be 22.4 liter. If STP condition are taken as 0 degree Celsius and 1 bar pressure, then molar volume will be changed to 22.7 liter. So there is a change. Here we take 1 bar, here we take 1 atm. So if it is 0 degree Celsius and 1 atm, then the molar volume will be 22.4. But if it is 0 degree Celsius and 1 bar, then the molar volume will be 22.7 liters. Further, there is one more condition which is known as SATP condition. At SATP condition, SATP means standard ambient temperature and pressure. Okay, standard ambient temperature and pressure. At this condition, what are the temperatures? Temperatures are 25 degrees Celsius, that is normal room temperature. We take it as 298.15 Kelvin and 1 bar pressure. In these conditions, the molar volume will be changed to 24.8 liter. So, these are the three different molar volumes: 22.4, 22.7 and 24.8. Okay, so whatever the condition given, we can use that, but in general we always use 22.4 unless and until it is specified that you have to use some other condition. So in general, whenever you use STP, in general we use 22.4 liters only. Okay, so on these topics I can go for one particular numerical just for the sake of convenience, so that you can able to understand. What is the mass of 3.01 into 10 to the power 22 molecules of ammonia? Okay, if you want to calculate, how we'll proceed? Gram molecular mass of ammonia is 17 grams. Mass of this much molecule, that is 1 mole, is 17 grams. Therefore mass of this much molecule will be how much? Simple unitary method, 17 divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 into 3.01 into 10 to the power 22, and you will get the answer 0.85 grams. Similarly, how many electrons are present in 1.6 gram of methane? How many electrons? So at first you calculate that gram molecular mass of methane is 16 gram. Number of moles in 1.6 gram of CH4 is 0.1 mole. So if the number of mole you have already got, the number of molecules you can easily calculate. 0.1 multiplied by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 equals to 6.022 into 10 to the power 22. This is the number of molecule. Since one molecule of CH4 contains 10 electron. 10 electron how? 6 of carbon and 4 of hydrogen. 4 hydrogens are there, 1 for each hydrogen, 6 plus 4, 10. So one molecule of CH4 has 10 electrons. Therefore, this much molecules will have 10 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 22 or 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 electrons. Okay, so in this way we can calculate the simple calculations of mole. I hope you have understand the basic concepts of moles and the interconversions. Thank you, children.